So now I'm going to discuss the mission class. This class is the most complex part of our system because it acts as the coordinator for multiple objects. Looking at the attributes, we have a private speeds, distance, difficulty factor, and success rating. These are encapsulated to ensure that data integrity. However, what makes this class special are the association fields. You can see here we have a responder, a community, and a supply batch. These are not just variables, but they represent the actual objects being brought together to perform relief operation. Now let's discuss the methods. We have our standard getters and setters, but the behavioral methods we have the actions happen. So the assign responder, the add community, and set supply batch methods are crucial. Their purpose is to establish a link between the mission and the other entities in our system. For example, we call the assign responder method. We are passing a specific responder object into this mission so the system knows who is in the ground. Now let's look at the core logic. The computational operational cost method. This method performs a multi-step calculation. It first calls the get total value and get total weight methods from the supply batch class. It then takes those values and applies a distance multiplier, a difficulty factor to return the final double value. This is perfect example of how classes collaborate. Similarly, the compute efficiency rating method is sophisticated piece of math. It calls the get population method from the community class to um, determine need. The get total value method from the supply batch class to check adequacy, and the get performance rating method from the responder class to see how well the individual performed. It's averaged these three scores to give us the rating between 0 to 1.
Greetings everyone. I'm Arvin Spidillon. I'm going to present this line of code, the disaster response system class. The disaster response system class is a centralized platform to managing disaster response operation, integrating responders and coordinators, community supply item and batch supply batch and mission. It maintain private collection of these entities using array list, which is this array list private. Then to ensure to control access and modular aggregation while encapsulating all the system data to prevent external manipulation. Right here. Then next is the system allows registration of entities throughout methods like the responders is this responders resp- register responders, then register coordinator, register community, register supply item, register supply batch, then register mission. And next is the entities that can be looked up by unique identifiers and responders and coordinator by ID community by location name, then supply item and batches by their IDs and missions by mission ID using to find method is this find coordination, find community, then find supply item, find supply batch, then find mission, And then the system enable assignment operations such as linking responders to community supply batches to mission, ensuring that all assignments verify the existence of entities before execution. Then the responders can be assigned to mission using assign mission, which this which is this method, the assign responders to mission. Then community can be linked to mission using this code, line of code. Then the in this method, the assign community to mission is allow the supply batches can be allocated to mission. Then next is the community assign assign community to mission and assign to batch to mission. Then performing operational relationship essential for mission to planning the batch of supplies. Then the system supports update and modification including adjusting community urgency, which is this updating the urgency, and then the adding item to exist supply batch, which is this add item, yeah, which this function to add, this method is function to add item to batch. And then next is the updating the responders performing scores, which is this updating community urgency. And then allowing the dynamic management of resources and personnel using the mission operation, including executing mission that have a execute mission, which is this. The purpose of this code is to execute the mission and provide actual response. Then next is the recording execution time and success rating. Having a coordinator oversees mission, which is this the coordination overseas mission method. Then the purpose of this is executing time and success rating, having coordinated overseas mission, which is, and then the recomputing of mission operational cost and efficient relating, which is this line of code, which is provide the real-time performance feedback by computing mission and operational cost and efficient relating. Then the computed mission cost, yan. Then updating responder performance. Next is the display. For reporting and monitoring, the system can display community rank by computed priority score, like the display community priority, display community priority, then responders rank by the performance, display responder ranking, and all the mission summaries by display all missions, then and a complete summary of all register object that display all object, ensuring that transparency and informed decision making ranking. Use a simple selection sort algorithm to determine priorities and performance, maintaining clarity without complex libraries. Then the disaster response system class is integrate registration, search, assign, update, and execution and oversight and reporting into unified framework. It provides a robust, safe, and modular structure for coordinating disaster response